important for English grammar. But before that, let us introduce ourselves.
My name is Maria Olvagenia Suci.
And me, Johanna Imul.
And me, Frido Nicoleta. Let's get started.
Okay guys, the first one is active voice. Do you guys know what the meaning of active voice? Active voice is the subject perform the action on the object. The formula is subject plus verb plus object. For the example, like she reads book.
Okay guys, the next passive voice. Passive voice is the object of the action becomes the subject of the sentence, and the verb of the action can be included with by. And for the formula, object plus to be plus past participle plus by plus subject.
An example, a letter is written by here. The object a letter become the subject, and by here shows the door.
Okay, and the next we're going to discuss about how to change active to passive. The first one is identify the object in the active sentence. The second one is place the object at the subject in the passive sentence.
And the third is use the correct form of to be and is, are, was, and were according to the tense of the sentence. And the fourth, change the verb to its past participle form.
And the five, occasionally add by and the original subject. Example, the first one, simple present tense, active she writes a letter. To passive, a letter is written by her.
Okay guys, the explanation. A letter object becomes the subject. The verb writes changes to written, and the auxiliary is used to present simple.
Okay, the second one is past simple tense. Active, they built a house. To passive, a house was built by them. Explanation of the example. A house as an object becomes the subject, and the auxiliary was is used for past simple.
And the last one is future simple tense. Active, she will complete the project. To passive, the project will be completed by her. For the explanation, the project as object becomes the subject. The verb will complete changes to will be completed, and the auxiliary will be is used for future simple.
And the next, how to change passive to active. The first one is identify the subject of the passive sentence, the door of the action.
And the second one is place the subject at the beginning of the sentence as the new subject in the active voice. And the last one is the object of the passive sentence becomes the object of the active sentence.
Okay, for example, the first one is simple present tense. Passive, the letter is written by her. To active, she writes the letter.
The second one, past simple tense. Passive, the house was built by them. Active, they built the house.
Explanation of the example, they, the door, becomes the subject. The first was built, changed to built, and the object, the house, remains the object.
And the last one is future simple tense. Passive, the project will be completed by her. To active, she will complete the project. Okay guys, for the explanation of example, she as the door becomes the subject. The verb will be completed changes to will complete, and the object, the project, remains the object.
Okay guys, that's all our video material about passive voice and active voice.
Thank you for watching.